Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to Food Fact for you. Today, we embark on a delectable journey exploring the diverse culinary traditions that usher in the new year across different countries. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and join us on this worldwide culinary adventure. Our first destination is Japan, where the new year is celebrated with the stunning Oseki Ryori. These meticulously arranged bento boxes feature an array of symbolic dishes, each expressing wishes for health and prosperity. From sweet black beans to savory grilled fish, Oseki Ryori is not just a feast for the taste buds, but a visual spectacle as well. Picture yourself in the heart of Tokyo, surrounded by the beauty of these festive boxes that hold the essence of Japanese New Year celebrations. Next on our global culinary tour, we land in Spain for La Noche Vieja, where the excitement of the new year is accompanied by a unique tradition. As the clock strikes midnight in Madrid's Puerta del Sol, people partake in the 12 grapes tradition. Each grape, consumed with each stroke of the clock, symbolizes good luck for each month of the upcoming year. Imagine the lively atmosphere as the streets of Spain come alive with laughter and the sweet burst of grapes at the stroke of midnight. Now, let's jet off to Denmark for a taste of Gammel Arsdag, a cozy and heartwarming New Year's Eve tradition. Families gather around tables adorned with boiled cod, mustard sauce, and sugar-browned potatoes. The meal is complemented by the indulgence of kransekage, an almond-based cake tower that adds a sweet note to the festivities. Envision the warmth and camaraderie as Danish households come together to enjoy this hearty and delicious meal, marking the end of one year and the beginning of another. Our culinary journey now takes us to the vibrant celebrations of Réveillon in Brazil. As the clock strikes midnight on Copacabana Beach, Brazilians indulge in a grand feast featuring lentils for good luck and pork to symbolize progress. The tropical flavors of coconut, passion fruit, and mango find their way into desserts, creating a celebration as lively as the samba beats that accompany it. Transport yourself to the energetic atmosphere of Rio de Janeiro, where the beach comes alive with the flavors and rhythms of Réveillon. And there you have it, a gastronomic tour of New Year's celebrations around the world. Whether you're savoring Oseki Ryori in Japan, devouring grapes in Spain, enjoying Gammel Arsdag in Denmark, or joining the Réveillon festivities in Brazil, one thing's for sure, a world of flavor awaits in the year ahead. Thanks for joining us on Food Fact for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mouth-watering content. Until next time, happy eating!